Hey guys, it's Abby. Today I am doing a what's in my bag. So I'm just gonna jump right in. This is the bag I use. I use it for work, for running around the city, for little trips. It is one of Baggu's new canvas bags. I have just been stuffing everything in here and it's great. For work, a lot of the time I bring in tons of accessories and random clothes because we film a lot. Today I just happen to have this cute little Claire V bag with me. Next, I have my water bottle. I always have this with me. It is by Bink and it's glass with just like a little silicone covering. I think it's great. I love how big it is. I have my phone and my Air Maxes. I don't go anywhere without either of these things. When we're filming in the office, I often bring in a little travel makeup bag just with my necessities. This little bag by Glossier is great. It's super small and really compact, and I just have all my little travel items in there. One specifically I want to talk about because I think it's great to have in your bag at all times, which is what I do. It's this little resetting powder by Supergoop and it has some SPF in it. And I just think it's great because the little brush is inside and it just brushes on the powder that's down here. Next, I have my sunglasses. These are the ones I've been wearing recently. They are by Kiara Eyewear. They're really durable and I like that I could just throw them in my bag. So these have been my favorites. Next, I have this little journal, little notebook. It's an old one by Print Fresh. And again, I just love it because it's so tiny. I just always throw it in my bag or backpack. This is with me all the time. Another Baggu item that I love, and I have like 10 of these, are their little packable bags. So this is like a little tote bag that I use when I need to run errands after the office, or I bring them to the grocery store with me. They're just great. They come in a bunch of different prints and colors, and they fold up into this little square, which is great. I always have one. Next, I have these dried sweet potatoes. So random, but they are like my snack of choice. I love sweet potatoes. I found these on Amazon a couple months ago, and I just created like a subscription because I love them so much. Another snack that I have on me is just a Fulfill bar. They're my favorite protein bar. I usually have a hand sanitizer with me, so this is the one I've been using. It's by Curie. I don't always have this with me, but lately my hands have been kind of dry. It is the Rub Solid Balm by Mirror Water, and it's just a super hydrating balm that I put on like my cuticles or like my elbows. It smells so good. I really love this stuff. I have my laptop charger in here. I actually took my laptop out earlier. Yep, not exciting. Now this is a little travel utensil set. I use this a little bit. It's funny because the spoon is just so large that I don't find myself using it that often. This is the size reference. I find these travel utensil sets really helpful, but yeah. Next is just a deodorant. I love Native, so I always have one in my bag, especially in the summer. A hair clip. This one is by Free People. I wear it all the time because it's just slightly cuter than your regular plastic claw clip. My wallet. This one is by Coach. It's just a cute little light denim one. Next, I have some eye drops. Also not exciting, but I use these all the time lately. Usually when I'm heading to work or somewhere for like the entire day, I throw in the perfume that I'm wearing that day. Lately it's been Vacation. It kind of smells like sunscreen and bananas, and it's just like nice and tropical for summer. Next, I have my favorite chocolate. It's by Choco Love and it's the orange peel. If you've never tried this, you have to. It's delicious. I have a little tape measure because we've been redoing our office a little bit and I've just wanted to have one on me. It's actually really helpful too when I'm shopping for things for my home or online shopping and I want to measure like my waist or something. These are great to have and they're really tiny. These I picked up from Whole Foods recently. They're little natural stress relief gummies. I don't know if they actually work, but I kind of love them. They just like taste really good. Next, I have two lip glosses. I didn't know I had both of these in my bag, but they're by Summer Fridays. I think they're Butter Bombs. This one's clear, this one is a little darker brown, and they are amazing. Next, I just have my hard drive, self-explanatory. And then I have another notebook. This one's slightly bigger. Yep. I don't know. There's no reason for me to have two, but I have two, and then I have a pen. I just have this little stasher bag filled with little necessities that I want to have on me. There's a comb, another travel fragrance, Nausine because I've been getting really motion sick lately, which is weird, floss, a hair tie, a Tide to Go pen, nothing that exciting. And then the last thing I have, there's actually one little pocket here in the front and I just have my keys in there. Just easy to grab. That is everything that's in my bag. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. All of the links of everything I pulled out of my bag and my bag itself are in the description box. Let us know what you bring in your bag or what your new favorite bag is. Thanks for watching.